Okay. So we wanted to show you guys an issue that we've had before prior, and now we figured out on some cases, not all of them. You might want to check that out. So do you want to fill people in what we had a problem with?
Yeah, so we had a D-rate the other day. Was it Saturday, right? I believe.
Saturday.
Yeah, we had the driver go under the truck, disconnect the speed sensor. He was able to make it back without a tow bill. Hooked up the laptop, and we had a code P20EE, I believe, and that's this crack right here. It's getting air, and it's crystallizing the DF overnight or after the truck is shut off within a few minutes.
Yeah.
It's a hairline crack, really small.
Yeah. So
I don't know if you can pick it up on that.
it's right here. I'm not gonna be able to pick it up, but it's in that
Okay.
in here, right?
Yep. Been what, 3 weeks?
Yeah, this is a relatively new truck, but we also have another truck that had the same issue. Let's go over there, and we'll unless he already put it back. Now let's go over that one. Wait. Dobra, to ja idę. Oh, you put it back together. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to see it here. You can see it right here. Yeah. So this is no, it's fine. You can see it. This is the same. You can see it right here. 30 seconds. So you would be able to see it from here.
Yeah.
As far as if you pop the fairing, you're gonna be able to probably spot it here. So you can see we did the weld. Tom covered it very quickly just because he wasn't sure about his weld quality, so he didn't want me to see it. No, okay. No, that's a good weld. So yeah, if you find that, it's not always the dozer. The code on this one was the DPF filter clogged.
Yeah, this one. But we caught this while we did this.
We looked at it was completely blocked up by the dried up DF. So we cleaned it out.
Right at the
We're gonna pull it out and run regen, but make sure you check for that crack. That crack is gonna definitely cause that DF to dry up in there and restrict the exhaust flow. So
not only that, but also remove this bellow over here, because that's where the buildup gets pretty nasty.
Yeah, it is. Oh, this one was almost entirely. Did you see that? Like an inch hole was left. Yeah. All right. So far so good. We're fine. I'm super happy with these trucks. I would say more so than the blue ones, the white ones.
White ones?
These.
Oh yeah, you're right. Injector cups.
Yeah, we had a lot more issues, but we'll talk about it soon. We haven't been shooting much, but now we are back shooting.
You know why that is, right?
Why?
The other ones are lower mileage, and these have
already
been addressed with the cups.
The company didn't address the things that were supposed to be addressed. They dumped it before they were. They just upgraded the fleet check. So, all right, awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Watch out for the cracks. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.